All right, we're here to do a 360 tour of the house. You guys can kind of swipe around and see everything.
Yeah, you can look to the left, the right. You can see our porta potty. You can see our street if you want. We're gonna do a walkthrough of the house.
Wait,
so
you can see our neighbors, they're fighting over there. You can see everything basically.
Yeah.
So this is the front of the house. I don't know how much of the frontage of the house you guys see. The fascia, everything's pretty much done. We just need to put in the doors, the stucco and all that. Let's go through the front entrance.
yeah, so let's walk through.
All right. Nice and shade, finally.
Yeah, nice and shady. So one of the things that we purposely tried to do is have a sight line all the way down to the backyard. So if you can see, if Sam moves over a little bit, you can see it all the way to the backyard from the front door. We wanted that you open your front door, you can see all the way back.
I'm in the first coat closet, which is kind of small, but basically the reason that this is here is for coats or whatever. When you walk in, you could go ahead and put those in there.
Yeah.
And as you walk in,
To this side is the garage. So you can see our 2-car garage full of stuff right now, but eventually will be cars there.
what type of cars? Ferraris, Lamborghinis?
Hopefully, I don't know.
I don't think in this neighborhood, but we'll see.
We'll see.
Walk in this way. We have laundry room on this side, right?
Yeah, so laundry room's over here. I'm standing into the laundry room over here.
We're gonna have what? Washer and dryer over there.
Yep.
And then behind you is a
little sink vanity situation.
And then once you exit from there, come this way. You guys are gonna come in through here. Right here behind me, you have the first bathroom. This is also the powder room because there's access to the main house. We got a little shower over there, no tub in the front, a nice little toilet, a nice vanity. From here, I'm gonna go back out and then what we skipped.
So this bathroom was also for this bedroom. We're gonna stage this as an office because it is the smallest bedroom in our space. But we have the closet.
You say smallest bedroom, but it's a pretty nice size bedroom. I think it's like a 10 by 12.
Yeah, it is still a pretty nice sized bedroom. So.
It's just small in terms of what we have in the rest of the rooms.
Yeah.
Yeah, the closet.
So let's step out and get to the
the other thing,
space.
this has a nice 3 windows. If you guys look over there, there's not 2, but 3 windows. And then it has the egress window over here. And then you I guess follow me. We go in, again, past the garage on this side, and then voila, straight shot to the back.
Raise you guys up so you can see this whole space.
We have some of the HVAC stuff already. We're gonna have the kitchen right there behind me, or behind you guys. I don't know where you guys are. This is as confusing for us as it is for you maybe.
Yeah.
But we're gonna have an L-shaped kitchen there, right? 27 linear feet, and then where we're standing is gonna be an 8 by 5 island.
And we're gonna drop a chandelier here on top of the island.
Maybe 1, maybe 2.
Maybe 3, who knows?
know.
We are gonna have some seating on the island. That's what we're going for.
The other thing that we're doing is the island is gonna have cabinets on both sides. I feel like a lot of developers, they'll skip out on the cabinets on the backside because essentially you could save $1,500, $2,000 by doing that. I don't think we're gonna do that. We're trying to do everything the right way. If we end up making less money in the end, it is what it is. But I'd rather put out a good product out there and not have a homeowner be like, I wish they did this, why they leave dead space. Dead space is a problem. Let's walk through the rest of the living room and then we'll do the bedrooms.
Yeah, let's
So
get through the rest of the living
here
space.
is the big dining room area that's part of the living space. Behind us is a big window.
Huge window. We wanted to center this window on the dining space, so we're planning on centering the dining table here. And what else are we doing?
Chandelier. So we're gonna have a chandelier or drop light or something, but a nice thing that's gonna go center over the table. So we're gonna kind of position it so whatever size table the homeowner wants to put. If they like entertaining dinner nights, then they can put a 12-seater whatever table. If it is intimate family, they have people over but want to hang out outside, they can put an 8-person table. It'll be centered and there'll be enough room to move the chairs and stuff on the outside.
Yeah.
And then come this way, we have the electric fireplace behind us that was actually drawn as a gas fireplace, which is why we have that opening and setback, and then basically the chimney.
I think we're gonna put a TV on top of the fireplace mantle, so it's gonna look.
Yeah, one of the cool things we're doing here that the framer actually suggested for us is right up here, we're gonna put a little beam that is what the TV is gonna mount on, and then we're gonna shove out the back. We're gonna have all our low voltage, Wi-Fi, everything come out in back here, so it'll be behind the TV, nice and shut, but if you want it, you pull out the TV and you have access to everything. That way we're not taking away space from the other house. So we kind of made use of that. I wish we didn't do that, but it is what it is.
Yeah. Right here to the backyard, the reason this opening is so big, so this is a 12-foot opening that you can see. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna have pocket doors. So
Pocket right there.
they're gonna pocket in right there. So this is just going to be completely open. There's gonna be no doors in the way. It's not your typical patio doors.
Come over this way, let me talk to them about this. So one of the problems that we had is we centered this from wall to wall. What we didn't realize is it's not this wall, it's going to be a pocket here, so there's gonna be a wall here. In order to not go through an order change, what we did with this window is we designed the fireplace cover to come out way more so that it would look centered, because the fireplace cover is gonna stick out. Cover, design, whatever you wanna call it. Yeah. So that'll stick out a little bit and it'll create the illusion that this is centered, even though when you look at it right now, if I put a wall right here, it's not gonna be centered. Yeah. But it's kind of things you gotta do with the project as you're going.
Let's take them to the bedrooms.
Sure, yeah, let's do the front bedrooms.
Yeah, and then we'll take you to the master after.
We did the first bedroom.
The one thing we didn't talk about is the huge vaulted ceilings.
Oh yeah, look up, look up.
Yeah, if you look up, you can see this is how the ceiling is gonna be. So it is going to be vaulted just like this. The drywall is gonna be sitting right there. So you're gonna have this huge open space. It's gonna be like really inviting.
Speakers right there.
Yeah, probably I'm putting some speakers.
Let's show them the ceiling difference. So you can see it right here. These are 9-foot ceilings.
Yeah, so this is a 9-foot ceiling that Sam's standing under. And you can see, you can look here, you can look there. And big difference in height.
Okay, so come with me.
So what do we got over here?
On my left side is a little closet.
Your right side.
Your right side, my left. I don't know.
Yeah.
But on this side, we have a little closet. I don't know how we're gonna retrofit this. We can actually turn this into a bar too. So it could be a little open bar space and we can put little countertops, probably not a sink, but maybe a cooler or something. But I think we're gonna have it as a coat closet or a
utility closet.
Utility linen closet, something like that. We'll probably put doors right here. You come in, again, here's something that we could have paid more attention to. This is dead space. It's only about 8 inches. But if we brought this out all the way, the closets could have each had an extra 4 inches, which would have been great.
Would have been nice.
Right side, ensuite, left side, ensuite. Let's start with the right side. These are basically mirrored, essentially. So we have the entire bedroom here. Behind you, Eddie, over here is the...
walk into the semi-walk-in closet here. So lots of space in this closet. It's not a full walk-in, but you can definitely walk into here. We're gonna have shelves and hanger space to put all your clothes.
And then right here it gives you room to put the TV. Let's go. Oh, let's show them the window on this side. There's a big egress window here. It's actually the same size as the dining room. We did it much lower than we needed to. I just like windows and I feel like people like windows, and if you don't want to use them, you can put blinds. But if you do want to use them and they're small, you cannot make them bigger.
Yeah. So what do we have going on over here?
Over here, we walk into the bathroom.
So each bedroom has its own bathroom, essentially.
Except for the front bathroom, bedroom. This has its own bathroom. This is going to be a shower tub function. We're actually including handhelds with the tubs and showers in all the rooms, which a lot of people that develop in this city area price point don't do. But we decided to put that extra effort in. I don't like showering without a handheld. Eddie doesn't like showering. I don't know anyone that likes to shower without a handheld. So you need to include it. So we decided to include it. I'm sitting on top, or standing on top of where the toilet's gonna be. And then over here, we're gonna have a 30 to 39 inch vanity. That's how much room we have, and we'll see how big it ends up being. We're actually gonna figure out the design aspect of it later. So Eddie, take it from here and show them the other room.
I'm gonna walk into the other bedroom over here. So this is just a mirror of that bedroom, essentially, not exactly, but it does have the walk-in closet right here, similar to the other one, similar space. It does have its ensuite bathroom as well. We're planning on having the bed on that side and the TV on this side. So that's this bedroom, and why don't we...
Well, let's talk about, you see these two closets here? That bedroom, the TV is not gonna be straight down, straight in the center of the bed. We just couldn't do it. There was no way, because you need a door for the closet. So if we inverted the doors,
we just don't want to walk in closets, so that's why we couldn't do it.
Well, yeah, if we avoided, well, how would we do it?
Well, you butt out both closets, make them less shallow, and have both in the middle. But we thought walk-in closets is better than.
Yeah, that's right. We could have done little sliding closets here and then put another closet on the thing. But walk-in closets for the rooms are probably nice.
So the bathroom's the same.
It's not even inverted.
It's not even inverted. It's the same exact bathroom. I'll walk you guys into it over here if you want to see it. But same bathroom, same situation going on here. And why don't we walk out and go show them the master?
All right, I'll take you guys to the master. When my dad built an addition on his house, he did a very oversized bathroom that he said he regretted, and I did the same thing on my first build. So this is the little, I think, landing pad or whatever you want to call it for the master. We could have put the master door here, which would have kind of helped our layout a lot because we would have closed this off, moved the door that way, and we would have had a nice closet, better layout. We wouldn't have these angled doors, but we decided to do this to create privacy for the master.
Yeah, we didn't want the master bedroom to be right off of the living space because we thought that might be a little weird. So this gives the master bedroom a little more privacy, and that's why we did this strange hallway.
Let's go in this way. This is the big master. If you guys look up, you'll see the vaulted ceilings. This is vaulted to center, unlike the living space or any of the bedrooms that just have 9-foot ceilings. This is gonna create a nice open atmosphere. Pocket doors behind Eddie as well. This is a 10-foot opening. It's gonna pocket that way, I believe, yes.
Yes, that way.
And then we're gonna have the bed right over there. And then we're gonna have 2 windows there. Those are framed out as 4-foot wide windows. They're actually gonna be 3-foot. They don't make 4-foot casements for the type of windows that we order. I'm sure there are people that do make 4-foot casements.
But not where we are ordering our windows from. So.
Yeah, we didn't wanna do the slider, what is it, top hang? What are they called?
Yes, top slide, I think.
Basically, we didn't want to do those to have that bulky line in the middle, so we decided to do casements for the master, make it a little bit nicer, and they only had 36-inch, which actually works out because, again, here, we didn't take into account that even though we're pocketing this on that side, that soffit that comes up, if you put it back here, it's going to look weird here. Yeah. So this window, regardless, has to come this way. Yeah. So it kind of worked out in our favor again. Some things work out in our favor, some things don't. Let's continue giving a tour on this side. We're gonna have, this is like kind of the landing space for the walk-in closet and the bathroom. Walk-in closet is gonna be nice. We're gonna have literally shelving right here, all the way around here, and all the way down. So basically what we're thinking is this section right here can be for the husband, and then the wife can get this, and this, and this, and this, and this.
That sounds about right.
And everything else, and this.
Linen closet, and and the whole house, basically.
So, Eddie, take him to the master bedroom, give him a little idea of our layout.
I'm walking into the master bathroom, and right here where I'm gonna be standing, this is where we're gonna have our shower. Our shower is gonna run this way, and on that side, which you gotta flip around.
I'm gonna stand into.
Yeah, he's gonna stand into it. It's hard to point at.
Or maybe I can lay into it.
Yeah, so Sam is pretending he's laying into the tub.
So you know what's nice? You do have this big window, which some people might say privacy. Our neighbors are really not nosy and the wall goes up pretty high. We're probably gonna also shrub all these out. But I like having the window. You can put blinds here. I personally think adding all this natural light to all the rooms is a big added bonus for us. I'm really excited about the master bathroom, I will tell you that.
Yeah. And then we have, if you flip back around this way, we have the double sink vanity and the toilet right there. And that is the master bath. I'm sure we're gonna have a lot more surprises, and we're gonna figure out exactly how this is all gonna look. So stay tuned for all that.
Before we cut off, bathroom, we wanted to put the toilet in its own enclosure, but I don't think we have enough space.
Yeah, there's enough
But it's
room.
gonna help us in the future when designing. Let's also show them the backyard real quick and what we're gonna do there.
Sure.
So if you guys wanna turn around and follow me, basically from here, you're gonna have maybe a 1-step down, just like from the living space, and the pool. We're gonna put over there maybe like a little fire pit sitting area.
I don't know if you guys can see that. Take you out here.
And then over there, let me go over here so they can.
Step down.
So we have the living. We're gonna have the outdoor living space here. We'll probably put like a little fire pit there and some seating. Pool. We're gonna resurface everything and make it nice. Little pool house, or I don't know what that is. It's been there. We're gonna leave it there.
She shed.
She shed?
Yeah.
She shed. Barbecue. We'll kind of spruce that up. We want to keep that original. It's the only thing original that we're keeping in the house, and we want to keep some character from the original house. So we're probably gonna paint those bricks white. give it a more modern look, throw in a nice new grill, call it a day. What else do we have here? That's pretty much it, guys. Subscribe, comment, thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed the 360. We've never made one of these, so this might come out a little bit weird.
We don't know exactly how this is going to come out, so hopefully it looks good, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this walkthrough.
If the angles are a little bit weird, it'll be better on the next one. We'll do one more with all the rough mechanical, and then we'll probably do one when we're completely done with the house.
That's a good idea.
That would be a nice walkthrough.
Yeah.
All right, let us know if you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe, comment, notification bell. We'll see you guys next week, or maybe in a couple days for another video. Peace out.